Welcome back to Blender Bytes, where we showcase fundamental Blender concepts in bite-sized pieces. In Blender, cloth physics lets objects bend, fold, and drape naturally, just like fabric. Start by adding a plane, go into Edit mode, and subdivide your plane a few times to add detail. Go to the Physics tab and click Cloth. Now, add another object below the cloth, just like a cube or a sphere, and give that object collision physics. Press play, and your plane will fall and drape over that object. Cloth works by simulating tension and bending across the mesh, so adding more subdivisions will give you smoother folds. For additional smoothing, add a subdivision surface modifier and shade smooth. You can adjust stiffness, damping, and bending in the cloth settings to control how heavy or soft the fabric appears. When you're happy with the result, go to the Cache section and click Bake for consistent playback. And that is cloth physics in under 1 minute.